1-0 basketball 1-on-1. Basketball 1-on-1.
Hey, go to game.
Go at him, man. Go at him. What you talking about? What you talking about? Hey!
I just wanna Bentley, ride around the city. I just wanna Bentley.
Alright, y'all. We're gonna be at George English today. You know, get a couple runs, hopefully. And then after George English, we're gonna take our talents to Oswald. You know, hopefully get some good footage out there. You know, y'all stay tuned though. Boo! I don't feel like hitting that sun this early.
You really need to have 100% right there?
What?
He was tall, so I said, I'll play him tomorrow.
You know he can't beat me. Yeah, he is. Nah, she a little bit taller than that. I'm on defense too. Yeah.
But it's how Bradley was playing him. Bradley was playing this bitch to go right. That's why I sent this dumb ass.
Yeah.
He like this.
Yeah. Cause he ain't got nobody to help. Shot. Oh. Oh. Meatball. Oh, come here. And stop size meatball. And stop size of meatball. Yeah, that's a fact. Hey!
Boy, alright, boy.
Yo, man, it's this garbage ass nigga Wood, man. We always talking shit about a nigga, man, on his live and shit. We got the dog lawyers out here.
Hey, you ever met a nigga, right, that talk shit about a bitch right next to a bitch and the bitch still don't hear him? It don't matter.
Ooh.
Man, it's you, bro. It's you. Shut the fuck up, bro.
Quit.
It's you.
Quit.
All you other niggas ride your dick for you to pick them on. You always fuck my shit up. You
doing that. You shot 8 alcohol. You got a little roll. You're not doing shit. You sorry for it. It's you. Ain't nobody else. You trash. You trash. You got 800 alcohol. My motherfucking your game on you. That's your trash ass game.
What the fuck are you doing, boy? What is you doing?
Yo, sorry. Look.
Right here.
You a black doing? That's what you supposed to be doing. You a black doing? Black is smarter than you. Black is smarter than you.
He's standing down there the whole game.
That's what I'm telling you to do. Oh, raw, stupid ass. 1-0 basketball 1-on-1. Basketball 1-on-1. Ball up. Hey, let's go. Y'all, you don't want niggas ride your dick. Give me the shit. Garbage as fuck, bro. Hey, come on. Hey, what's the
Let's go, bro.
Travel.
You quit on him?
You quit, man.
You quit on him?
Don't you quit. What? You ain't no damn quitter. Nigga, get back out here. You a grown man. Let's go. Nigga, make something happen. You don't quit. Don't quit. What you quit for?
Oh, my bad.
Oh!
Hey!
Damn, man.
Reload!
T.I., man, back with the win. Caught you a dub, man. What you got to say for the cam?
Hey, easy money. I like when they argue. Teammates argue.
Okay.
You got reload in the head stuff.
Okay.
Reload.
Okay.
That's reload.
Reload, man.
I don't know why niggas pick you, bro. That shit crazy.
Oh, shit. No, not the legendary
He
head.
don't do shit.
Oh.
It's the niggas who picked him up. Them niggas so fucking stupid. They think he doing this shit.
Yeah.
What the fuck do head really do? But yell and pass the ball.
You got 7 going to 10 now. You got 7 going to 10 for 50.
For 7 going to 10?
Ball too.
And hit, what?
50
7 going to 10. Ooh, got Lauren. Ooh, got Lauren. Oh no! Who moved to go? 3-on-1. 10 for 3. Oh, good. Ooh.
Hey, watch the last game. They're not gonna figure out the motivation. You done for the day.
He talking about he done for the day. Ooh, big shot Lawrence. He back.
He's done for the day. He's not getting back on.
Let's see if he can beat TP. TP at the green light. Ooh.
That's my fault. I trusted somebody and we should not have been trusting that much. And if anybody out here believe you in that shit's crazy. If anybody out here got to say that shit's crazy. I'm not used to no
Ooh. Oh. Okay. Oh! Big ball! Two!
Hey, you know what? Hey, we need that.
That's point. Ooh! What did they get you a scratch off? Hey, why you playing the man so tight?
I'm on his ass like cops on black people, boy.
Black people!
Oh! Cougar pass. Good finish.
The fake ass muscle.
Oh. Way to play through it.
That's on my homework, right? Come on, Frank!
Oh.
You gonna shoot the 3?
Oh. Man, Black run down there for nothing. Let's see, man. Who did it that game? Who did it? It was Lauren, man. What you got to say, man? Okay, they did good.
Go now. Right that off. Come on, look, give me that good dog. Give me that good dog. Oh, yeah. Oh.
That nigga said he ran the court. That nigga ran the court in so long.
I see you, Al. Hey, you suck, you suck. Go rebound, baby. Oh, look. Woo, woo, woo. That's you. Good pass, dog. 4-1.
Yeah, I seen that shit. I got it too. That nigga said he going to the lead.
Good late.
They go that 7th man, Lawrence.
He hit his ass with that Chick-fil-A sauce.
Chick-fil-A sauce. Hey, Mike, when you tag me in something, they gonna put my name by itself, bruh.
This guy you get 5, this guy you get 40.
For the bearded man, he about to live in reality. We all will pass, think of
Line him up. Good fucking finish, hell. Oh, what?
No two. You heard that nigga say no two. You heard that nigga say, Mike? That nigga said no motherfucking two. And look who's sticking you. And look who's sticking you. That nigga say no twos and look who's sticking you.
They knew what time it was.
Look who's sticking you.
They knew what time it was.
Look who's sticking you. That's why I got the close up, because I know what time it was. Hey, I knew the ball wasn't going back Fred on that man. They had Fred on you. I knew it wasn't going back down.
Yeah, that was
He only made it because he was on the camera.
To be grade A, the
Man, pass the ball to my dog.
is for all the little things we do to bring you our best every day.
That boy been scoring since he was 2 years old.
When
On the
we
camera
give
go.
you a fresh day.
Hey, Ruben, way to take your time, boy.
EJ! Welcome aboard the big boy side, EJ.
EJ, he didn't say the big boy side, EJ.
43, we up.
What it is? My dog been dropping 30 since he had the Campbell goal, nigga.
Uh-oh.
The Campbell goal, nigga, they got the adjustable.
Go.
Close, hard nose, I can feel the bring up in these cold goals. I don't fuck with niggas cause they up cold. Worry about another nigga money like they are.
Nah, that's the only thing about it, dog. Your body's 80% water. Oh.
Straight drop it all down. Just ran through the check, it's all down. You wanna buy it, it's all down. You might see a dog down. Now you might see a bro down. Jumping like a fire.
Distortion, publishing, you owe it, man. I'm dropping the top and showing the kids. But to the money, we trying to get paid. Clear my mind and I had a biz. And then I arrived with 25 pieces. We sell out the whole facility. Not liking your vibe, your energy. I came from the pod with Kimberly. She sniffing the lines assembly. We had a good time in Italy. Yo, these niggas be lying about loyalty. Get on my knees, praying to God to cover me.
What is it? The losing corner? What is it? Sam, man, you gotta do him dirty today, bro. I ain't been liking your footage, bro. Trying to get me some dubs, man. Oh yeah, but oh, hold up now. He played too much 2K. He played too much 2K.
Man, come on, man.
up now.
That's 3 still. That's 3 still. Get some buckets then.
Uh-oh. Back outside! Back outside! Back outside! Oh! Oh! Back outside! Ah! Oh! They say Wood he was doing you earlier, bro. Oh, he said you lame, cuz.
Get it to the one.
Get it to the he thought he had something on it.
Thought he had a little game.
Oh. Well, they making niggas quit out here today, boy. Damn, Sam, what happened? What happened? They made you quit?
On camera, these niggas trash, you hear me? On camera.
Uh-oh.
Fuck you talking
That sound like money, though. He could on aim. That's a sniper though. That's a sniper though.
Not like you like it.
Ooh. Who Sam?
Slaughter that.
Ooh.
You gonna see a grown man cry.
Ooh. Uh-oh. What'd you say? Uh-oh, they gonna bring that boy retirement. Oh. Oh. They say Kiki got his ways from you, man. Oh! Oh!
Hey, that's a player of the year. They got his shit beat like that. Player of the year.
Player of the year. Damn. You got a dunk on his ass, not Jalen. Uh-oh, they got the right one today. Oh! Oh! JC got the right one today. Oh! Oh! Uh-oh. Yeah, go out and move. Move. Move, man. Trying to get me. I told you. That's your fault, bro. You got to move, bro. Dang. What you say? Good read, good read. Go at him, man. Go at him. What you talking about? What you talking about? Hey! What's going on? We need a punchline, baby. Uh-oh. Hey, man, this man, he'll be hating on my channel, man. Feel that my dog, though. With his squad. 40 what?
I did say in college.
Oh.
I did say in college.
Oh.
20 in college. All American.
Oh, All American. David Wood. Oh, okay.
30.
I ain't gonna lie. I done seen him kill niggas' ass, but that's besides the point, you know. Ooh, KJ. Ooh. Hold on. What the YouTube is, man?
Hey, man. Shout out to the kid, JETKIDJEREMY. Y'all go check out the tube.
Ooh.
Like, comment, subscribe. We doing a little collab today for y'all.
Yeah, man. You know we had this.
Cam.Jeremy. We got bang out sessions from both angles.
Uh-oh.
Y'all know what time.
Uh-oh.
I got young pimp named Zoe over here on the
Pimp
camera.
named Zoe. Pimp named Zoe.
We got B.O. and Huncho.
Okay, we got everybody for the cam.
Funny get busy.
Okay.
Oh, we gotta get busy, man.
Y'all boy can't get on and lose now.
Hey, man. Hey, look, man. I'm finna knock the rust off and I'm finna put on the show for y'all.
Okay then, that's all you had to say that.
I'm playing no damn basketball. I'm here to record, but with another banger.
Oh, good grab, good grab. Uh-oh. Oh! His brother got him scared, man. Uh-oh, that's a sniper game. Oh, Lord. Look like it's about to storm out here, man.
Let him go. We gonna need to sit off, baby, like a bad kid. Dropping that bitch, clean on off.
He's in the hood.
that bitch don't look like dang. Rooster neck ass, stop following my dog. John, what are you doing, John? What are you doing? Oh, nigga pants used to be white. Them bitches great now.
Hair going dirty on dirty.
That boy had a haircut of 12 years, man. The one that's checking the ball. Look at him, Jordan. That bitch look like his face beat up. Ooh, KJ. Look at this shit. The rain got everybody stuck. Can't go nowhere.
I'm gonna get a nigga an interview real quick.
Uh-oh, what you got?
Nigga be out here sizing me.
Uh-oh.
I ain't from Deerfield, but I ain't gonna buck no fade, you feel me? Niggas be around here drawing on me, thinking they artists and shit.
Okay.
So I'm coming at a nigga ass.
Okay.
I'm at they neck.
Okay.
That's all I gotta say. I'm at a nigga neck.
Nigga say, bah! Uh-oh.
Bah!
Uh-oh.
Bah!
What you say, Wood?
Nigga need a Colgate commercial cause that shit yellow.
Oh, you need a winter fresh, cause bitch, you ain't never fresh. Hey,
damn.
Hey, them bad ass knees, I bet you don't stand a chance. Zoom in on the Balenciaga.
Ooh. It's the money man right here, though. Ooh. Ooh. Right.
I won with Rob today.
Hey, my blog say that's the lock man. Lock man.
Smith. Last name should have been Smith.
Open Jordan.
Yeah, man. So we had a good hoop session, you know. Good footage. It hadn't started raining, so you know it was time to go. But y'all remember, like, comment, subscribe to your boy, man. And shit, we going to the next video.
I just wanna Bentley, ride around the city. I just wanna Bentley.